Okay, hello dear students. Very good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. So everyone, good morning. And today's lecture is English, and in the previous lecture we have started the farming questions, how to frame questions, how to create questions, how to frame questions. And Saturday we learned about actually Saturday or Friday, I don't know, but actually there are two types of questions. There are two types of questions. The first one is a WH question and another one is a yes or no type question. So yes or no type question, we learned that it begins with helping verbs, and always the answer of yes or no type question will be yes or no only. So we can give the answer in yes or no. So that is called yes or no type question. How to frame also we learned that at beginning what will be there, exact actually at the beginning helping verb will be there, and it based on tense only. So let's start today's lecture, and again I'm dealing with grammar, and let me complete this topic framing questions. Let me complete this first. After completing this topic, again we will learn the textbook prose section 2, Mauritius. It's a wonderful lesson, wonderful story of Mauritius. So dear students, am I audible properly? What about voice? Yes, Swana, am I audible? Please give me anyone answer. Okay, so let's start today's lecture. I will write here. So here I will write English, and now again grammar. Again grammar. So today's topic is about grammar only. And dear students, as we have learned, yes or no type question, yes or no type question. Now here frame questions, So to frame questions we are learning. Frame means to create questions. Frame questions. So now let me tell you first. Yes, I am checking the camera. So it's correct. No any issue. So yes or no type question we learn. Yes or no. The first one is yes or no. Yes or no question we learned. Yes or no question we learned that it begins with helping verb. For example, he likes an apple. He likes an apple. He likes an apple. Yes or no type question of this is the does he like an apple? Does he like an apple? This is the yes or no type question of this sentence. So dear students, already we learned about this. So I don't want to continue with this. Today we are going to learn how to frame WH question. So let's start. WH question. Okay, so dear students, here I am writing WH question. WH questions is the topic today. And what is WH question? This is the type of question and that begins with WH word. The question which begins with WH word, that is called WH questions. And also we can't give the answer of this question in yes or no. Yes or no, we can't give the answer. We should give the brief answer. We should give sentence. Yes, no, answer in sentence. That is called WH question. That is called informative answer. Informative answer. Informative answer means what? In that answer, information should be there. Information. That is called informative answer. So if I ask you WH question, definitely you should give the informative answer. Yes or no, not allowed. In yes or no type question, you can give yes or no answer. But in WH question, you should give informative answer. Informative answer means what? Information should be there. For example, what is your name? So what is your name is the WH question, and answer is not yes. Answer, if I ask you what is your name? Yes. What is your name? No. What is meaning of that? We can't give answer yes or no. We should give answer, we should reply in informative manner. Informative manner means what? My name is Radisson. So here this is the informative answer. In sentence, we can give the informative answer. That is called the WH question. It begins with WH word. It begins with WH word. That is called WH questions. So dear students, today we are going to learn how to frame WH questions and what are the rules. What is the format of WH question? Let's start today's lecture. So now, dear students, first thing that you should know to frame WH question, one thing is there. The question will come. I will tell you how question will come. In paper, in examination, what type of question will be there. Definitely I will tell you. But before that, you should know WH words. What are the WH words? There are many WH words. Many. So I will write here some information about WH question. It begins with WH word. It begins with WH word. Answer should be informative. The answer should be informative. Then third one is here that accordingly answer we should use WH word. So write down these three important points, dear students. Note it down, write it down. Three important points. The first one, it begins with WH word. Answer should be informative. Accordingly answer, we should use WH word. Write it down. Write fast. Yes, everyone, write the first point 1, 2 and 3 of WH question. Veena, is it visible properly? Completed? Yes, completed or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you replied, you students. Your reply is important. What is this? Krodhanam. You should give reply every time. Reply is important. So now, dear students, what are the WH words I will write? What are the WH words? So WH words can be we can write, for example, the first one is what, then why, who, which, yes, then whom, then how, yes, when, whose, how many, how much. So these are all, oh sorry, where also. So these are all WH words. So what, why, who, which, whom, where, how, when, whose, how many, how much, how long, what time. So there are many. But dear students, these are all WH words, and that if any question begins with these WH words, that is called WH question. That is called WH question. So if any question begins with what? WH word, WH question. Why? WH question. Who? WH question. Because it begins with the WH word. WH word means what? These are the WH words. What? Why? Who? Which? Whom? Where? How? When? Whose? How many? How much? That is for countable. Quantity. Wait. Quantity. So quantity is there. How many quantity but countable? How much quantity but uncountable? That is called how many and how much. So now write this also all. Write what, why, who. Write like this. WH words. So WH words. Write like this. And make a list of WH words. All WH words. Write down. Okay, completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me write. After this all WH words, what question will come? Directly we will learn question. Means you don't know, sir, how question will come and how to frame WH question in examination, in paper, what type of question will be there. So I will tell you what question will come. Like I told you that identifying tense, converting tense, changing the tense, that I took one example. Yes, no. I took an example and I solved that example on board, and then only you understood, sir, that type of answer, that type of example will come in examination. So here framing WH question, like this will come. Like this will come. Oh, here you can't see. Here I write. Okay. So the question will come like this, that my father met him in UK. My father met him in UK. Yes, my father met him in UK. So, dear students, UK means what? This is the country. Yes, this is the country actually. So, UK means country, and my father met him in UK. This is the sentence. And the question will come. This is the example. This is the underlined part. Suhana, this is the underlined part. In UK is the underlined part. And the question will come. Frame WH question. Frame WH question to get underlined part as an answer. This is the question. Example is, my father met him in UK. Frame WH question to get underlined part as an answer. What is the meaning of this question? That you should frame WH question to get underlined part. Underlined part is in UK. To get underlined part as an answer. As an answer means what? That this should be answer of this question. This should be answer of this question. So frame WH question. Veena, understood? Question understood?
Yes, sir.
Explain it beta. What is the question? Explain it.
We have to question for that underline words, sir.
To get this part as your answer. So this is answer, but you should frame here WH question. To get underlined part as an answer. This type of question will come in examination. So now what to do? Actually, the rules are different. I will tell rules, but let me first solve this example. And then I will tell you what are the rules and how to convert. So first thing to frame WH question, that third point I had given. Suhana, third point. 3 points I gave of WH question. Right? Read third point. Read, Suhana.
Yes, sir. Third point is according answer should use WH word.
So very good, very good, Suhana. According to answer, we should use a WH word, and I already have given you all the WH words. So you have WH words. You know WH words. But which WH word you have to use? Accordingly answer. Accordingly answer means this is the answer. No, to get underlined part part has answer means in UK is the answer. This is an answer. So accordingly this answer we should use a WH word, and this answer is place. This answer is place. And dear students, for place there is one WH word, and the word is where. For place there is one WH word, and the WH word is where. So where we have used a WH word, and the WH word that questions begins with the WH word already began. Where we have used it here. So where, why? Because the answer is place. Answer is place. Because of that only we have used here where. So where? So this is a WH word. Plus, I will give you format also. Downside format I will give. Now dear students, first thing is there that after the WH word you should use helping verb. Subject plus remaining part. WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus remaining part. This is the structure of WH question. So already we have used the WH word where. Now helping verb will come after WH word. Helping verb, which helping verb? Vina. Helping verb is what? The helping verb we should use accordingly tense of the sentence. Just my father made him. My father made him. Which tense this is? Suhana, which tense this is? Shivani. Preeti, tell me, Preeti. Preeti, tell, Preeti. Which tense? This is the simple past. My father met him. Simple past. So helping verb is totally based on tense. Helping verb is totally based on tense. So in simple past, the helping verb will be did. So did, where did? Where did? Helping verb will be did. So where did? Because of simple past only we have used here did. After did, subject. After did, subject. Subject is my father. My father. Where did my father? Oh, sorry. Wait. Here I made one mistake. After subject, main verb. Main verb and then remaining part. Sorry to say, remaining part. So, where did my father? Subject my father. Main verb. This is the main verb. Met is the main verb. My father met him. Where did my father? Here we have used a did. Here we have used a did. So met will become meet. First form of met. Meet him. Remaining part is him. Remaining part is him. Because we can't take answer in the question. So this is no need of that things. This is underlined part. So we cannot take in here because this is the answer. Remaining part only him. This is the main verb. This is the subject. This is the helping verb. Helping verb accordingly tense and accordingly answer WH question. WH word. So here we have framed. Where did my father meet him? Question mark. Question mark is important. Question mark is important. Where did my father meet him? Answer is my father met him in UK. Is it correct, Veena? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dear students, any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Suhana, Shivani, Aishwarya?
No, sir. Sir.
Yes. Other students also can give answer, but actually here on my screen I can see only 2 students' name. So to announce your names, I just need to scroll up. Then only how many students have joined. So there is no need to take names, but some names I can take. So this is easy one, that how to frame WH question. So write it down, note it down in your notebook. This structure also write down. Structure of WH question. Structure of WH question. Structure of WH question. WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus remaining part. Structure of WH question. Write fast, dear students. Please write fast. I want to give more examples. I will explain here examples.
Written, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Complete, sir.
Now let me take new example here. Another example. So here we need more plans to improve. We need more plans to improve. Shivani, in this sentence, what is underlined part? Shivani, what is underlined part?
More plants.
Okay, more plans is underlined part. So now here, what WH word will come? Tell me. What WH word will come?
How many, sir?
How many will not come?
How much?
How much also will not come? Okay. Oh, more I have written. More I have written. Okay, let me run this. More no need actually. We need plans. Only plans. Only plans. We need plans to improve. Now, what WH word will come?
Which, sir?
Which? Okay. Which? Anyone can guess?
What, sir? What, sir?
Okay.
What, sir?
So underlined part is plants. So what will come? I will tell you. I will give list. Don't take tension. Definitely, I have the list of exact what WH word we should use to particular underlined part. This is also ready-made list. These are the tricks. So you should use all the tricks in English grammar. So I will give when to use what, when to use where, when, how, why, who, everything I will give. So now what will come? Plants what? So I will write here what. What? Tell me helping verb. Who will tell helping verb? Who will tell helping verb? Because after WH word helping verb we should use. We need plans to improve. We need plans to improve. Helping verb.
Do, sir. Do, sir.
Okay. So first tell me we need which tense? We need which tense?
Simple present.
Simple present means do or does. Do or does. Simple present means do or does.
Sir.
So what will come?
Do.
What to do? What to do? After helping verb, subject. After helping verb, subject. What do we? After subject, main verb, need. What do we need? Then remaining part, to improve. What do we need to improve? What do we need to improve? We need plans to improve. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next you yourself do. This example for you. All the students solve this example. King Akbar saw big palace in the woods.
Here did King Akbar saw big palace.
Wrong. Answer is wrong.
Answer is where did King Akbar see big palace?
Shivani's answer is correct. Shivani, claps for you. King Akbar. Okay, now. To frame WH question, underlined part is in the woods. In the woods is the underlined part. So, in the woods is a place. This is the place. So, for place, we should use where. Where. After where, The after where King Akbar saw. King Akbar saw is simple past. Saw is simple past. Did. Where did King Akbar? King Akbar. Already we have used here did. So there is no need of saw. It will become see. Where did King Akbar see big palace? Big palace. Question mark. Shivani, question mark is important. Otherwise, you will get 0 mark. You will get 0 mark. Question mark is important. Where did King Akbar see big palace? Question mark. How many students saw this? How many students this answer is correct? Suhana, your answer is correct?
No, sir.
Okay. So now another example, Suhana, for you I will give. Everyone saw. If underlined part is not in the woods. Here, actually big palace is the underlined part. Big palace is the underlined part. Now frame WH question. Underlined part is big palace.
Can I tell, sir?
Yes. Veena, tell me.
What did King Akbar see in the woods?
King Akbar saw a big palace. King Akbar saw a big palace in the woods. Big palace is the thing. So what? What did King Akbar see in the woods? What did King Akbar see in the woods? King Akbar saw big palace in the woods. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, next one. What is the name of that singer? I don't know. I forgot singer. But okay, I will take Suhana. Suhana sings. Suhana sings songs. How? Sweetly. Suhana sings songs sweetly. Okay. Underlined part is sweetly. Sweet voice. She has a sweet voice. So Suhana sings songs sweetly. Underlined part is sweetly. What WH word will come? WH word tell me. Sweetly.
How, sir?
How will come? How? Suhana sings simple present. Suhana sings simple present. How does Suhana sing songs? How does Suhana sing songs? Suhana sings songs sweetly. Suhana sings song sweetly. Write this also.